What we're about to say might get us in trouble, but after 60 countries for me,
and 70 countries for me,
we realized Morocco is the most beautiful country so far. In every city, we saw beauty. Marrakesh, Chefchaouen, Casablanca, Tangier, Fez, Sahara, and Rabat. All of these are big, beautiful cities made up of beautiful details. Details, details, details. The details of their window holder, the archways, the architecture, their doors, food presentation, scriptures, and of course, their people. All of them are simply stunning. Aline and I still have hundreds of countries left to visit.
but until we see them,
Morocco is the most beautiful country we've been to.
that's 1 minute.
See you tomorrow!
YouTube, if you like this video, then I think you're gonna love NAS Academy. It's a new online school we just started to give you a voice. Yes, making videos has given me a voice. And with this voice, you can reach millions of people on the internet. Tell them stories that you care about and actually change their opinion. This skill of making videos changed my life, and I think it can change yours.